if people who are Indian football fans watching this, if I don't ask this question, they are going to be very angry. So the AIFF presidential role is going to be changed soon. It's going to come to an end soon. So would that be something you were interested in? And if you got that role, what would do you have like one or two changes that you would make in your mind already?
Hmm. See, I would get. I'll tell you, I would not want that role. But point is that uh, looking at Indian football right now, things, I mean, you can do only so much as a single club and academy. And I know if you want to make changes, you need to get to that.
Yeah.
But if people expect that whoever's going to come in, and if the guy is coming in telling you that I will get you to the World Cup in 4 years, that is the day you should dump him. Simple.
Yeah.
Okay, because he's talking shit. Okay, his ass is so jealous that the shit is coming out of the mouth. Okay, so I would number one have a detailed plan for how to make sure we get to the World Cup. But I would start with the women. Understand what I mean by that? Because we as if you want to get to the World Cup, you better be beating Bangladesh, Afghanistan, and Sri Lanka 10-0s.
Exactly.
Our Indian team, senior men's team, is a shame. I mean, they fucking lose to them. Whereas our Indian women's team, they kick their ass, man. So and they are there at that level, and they are there at that level without zero zilch support. Now imagine, now it's not about Indian men getting there. Imagine if the Indian women get there and get to the semi-finals or the quarterfinals of the World Cup. That's enough. That revolution will start. मर्द लोगों को अपने आप शर्म आ जाएगी. ठीक है? So I would focus on that, especially with the Under-17 World Cup coming up, then the 2023 Asian Cup coming up with the women's thing. So we would totally focus on that, but use it as a launching pad. At the same time, now I would plan for the 34, 38 World Cup. Japan has planned for the 2050 World Cup.
Look, did Japan do like 100-year plan where they
They did a 100-year plan, but
Yeah.
they said 2050 में हम पहली बार World Cup जीतेंगे. और 2050 में जब पहली बार जीतेंगे, that means those boys जिन्होंने जीतना है, वो अभी तक पैदा भी नहीं हुए हैं भाई. Yes, अगर 2050 में जीतना है, तो वो बंदा पैदा भी नहीं हुआ अभी तक. That's the kind of thinking it requires. So, but I as an Indian totally believe, man, we can get there. And we've shown in every bloody sport we can get there. We're in the top ever. See, we had to first, in the last 20 years, we were people who were wanting to go to the World Cup. Was difficult. Why? Because हमारे Indians के खाना नहीं था खाने के लिए. अब हमारे को normal चीजें मिलने लगी. खाना, roof on the head, normal stuff. We have got normal technology. Everybody is doing well. Now's the time we need this revolution because we can think of things other than just surviving. And when you have Indians doing, see, we survive very well, man. We're 1.3 billion people, and we are one of the most resilient people. You can look at our fight against even the coronavirus. But if we Indians put our head together, there's nothing we can't do. We can do it, man. We just need the right leadership. I'm telling you, the right leadership. Like, see, Bai Chung was saying that he wants to fight for the president. So I rather, being honest with you, I rather have somebody who knows football, but who's out of politics. Like, why I don't want, being honest with you, why I don't want Bai Chung coming in is because he's into politics. If he gives up his political party role and his membership of his political party and coming in and just doing football, I want a person who is the president and all his life is just at Indian football is a full-time job. To meet the president of our federation, it takes us 4 months to get a fucking meeting, man. And still he doesn't meet us. I want a president who should be available 24 hours on the phone for a guy who's a stakeholder. That means a club owner should be able to call the president. Or the Indian Indian team coach, man. He should be able to call the president. Fuck me, he can't call the president. The TD does not have Praful Patel's number.
Wow.
So we need somebody who can, who's actually either played football himself and he's gone to a level, but who has management skills and who's got no other business. He cannot. Okay, and then why it can't be me? Because right now it can be, but I will have to. I'm going to close Minerva then.
Yeah.
Because I'm not going to have Minerva and have a conflict of interest and be talking out of my ass and saying that I'm the president, but I'll have my fucking academy. So, okay, even if I don't tell people to go to my academy, there'll be at least 100 people who go to my academy thinking कि मैं किसकी academy में जाऊंगा तो मैं इंडिया के लिए खेलूंगा क्योंकि president का. जैसे डोनाल्ड ट्रम्प अपने वहां पे भाई साहब कर रहे हैं वहां पे अपने होटल खोल के अमेरिका में. There's no conflict of interest, but fucking there is conflict of interest, man. So I'll have to do it, and I don't mind doing it. But the point is, you cannot be given a role and given limitations. Then you can't be put under control of politicians. I have enough ideas of making money revenue-wise. We can, and in fact, we need to support state associations. That means, see, how is cricket done well in India? If I go to my district association, I'm talking about Mohalli Cricket Association. They have a small ground, but in that fucking ground, they have a super soccer. A super soccer costs 1 crore 40 lakh rupees.
Wow.
The budget coming to every district every year is 5 crores. Every district. Not every state, every district. Okay, so don't go there. But they are able to do that because of that. So how about out of the money you get from Reliance or from BCC, India, from Sports Federation, whatever, the government, you give a grant to all the states who do something. That means the ones who are having their leagues, the ones who are promoting football, the ones who are doing grassroots, start giving them money. So the states who are just sitting there and just doing nothing, they can wake up and they say, oh my God, fucking Goa or Maharashtra or Bengal got a grant of 1 crore. Why? Because they just conducted this very baby league, man.
Yeah.
That's how you do it.
That's true.
Not by spending all the money on your little office in AIFF.
So you did actually... Go ahead. Say.
No, I'm just saying that, see, this is a very passionate topic. I can go on about this for donkeys of years of how to make sure AIFF improves because they can do so much. And I would, being honest with you, I would totally say that if they put a little bit more interest in it and they grow a pair, they can take India to a really, really far place, man. They can.
Nice. So you didn't actually answer my question. So if you could leave Minerva in safe hands with Hena, maybe somebody you trust, would you? And that role was offered to you. Would you maybe be interested at least?
See, this is all if what if. It's something. See, I am not a politician.
Yeah.
Because politicians are not like me. They don't say it like it is the way I do.
Yeah.
They're very diplomatic. If it means going and asking for votes and canvassing for votes, no. But if I am put as a CEO for helping Indian football and getting it right, as in an organization point of view, it would be my dream job because then I would be able to I can then probably give a blank written check from my side that yes, guaranteed I'll get India to the World Cup. Because then I'll have backing of my federation. But this is something which I would hate doing, going and doing politics like Praful Patel. And now apparently Subrata Datta is the next heir apparent because he's the vice president. So things are not likely to change, man, because state associations are the ones who give votes. And again, in state associations, the presidents are always the presidents of the local political parties. And this entire thing, like, for being honest with Churchill being relegated and being brought back was because NCP. And same way with Aizwal being relegated twice this year, coronavirus twice and being brought back is again because of politics involved. So everywhere in football there is politics. Probably I can name all the people who are in football who have nothing to do with politics on my fingers.
Yeah.
And them to leave the control. Because for them, see, football should be given to somebody who cannot take from it, but who can just give. Okay? These guys are in it for the wrong reason. They are in it for personal promotion and making sure they are in the high limelight. Doesn't matter where their political career is.
Yeah.
So I wish it is taken over. Forget me. I'm talking about anyone who's there who dedicates his life to it. You have to ask him that, is this going to be your only fucking thing in life? That's the guy who should be running Indian football.
So everybody.
Yes, it can be me if it is done in a non-political way, man. But I am thinking about standing for elections is the last thing in my mind. I hate it, man. I would rather kill myself.